Hello. Could I speak to Rajat? Yes, speaking. Hi. I have called you up to invite you to the housewarming ceremony of our new home. Oh, thanks. Where have you shifted your residence? Very close to you. We are now at Ishwarini was. Next to Wisdom School. Yes, you got it right. Please do come with your parents. My parents are out in Mumbai for about a week. When is the function? On the 7th of this month. It is a Sunday. Yes, they will be back then. When should we come? At 11 a.m. I will surely be there. Thanks. See you then. You're welcome. See you. Bye. Great video. Mom.
Yes.
I found a good channel for study.
Great, like the video, share it to your school friends, subscribe to it, but what's the channel's name?
Wings of Fire Academy.